How are you able to stay up on everything that's happening and keep that curtailed as we, go into the future so that your clients can just rest assured that things are being taken care of?
First off, we've been developing this software longer than I think anybody else in the industry. We've started the original project in 2005. I wrote the first couple of versions of it and started a process because we had another company we were trying to protect our own traffic and nothing existed at the time. So I developed a process using a rudimentary machine learning algorithm that basically watches the internet, and watches the internet that we have access to based on all the traffic that we have coming into. And at our heyday, I think we had like billions of visitors a day that we're able to see.
Wow.
What happens is when fraud first comes out, at least the way we've seen it, they go and test their solution out in different areas. And as they test their stuff, it's small number of clicks, maybe 1,000 clicks, 2,000 clicks, very small amount. Our machine learning, if it comes across our network anywhere that we have access to, picks up on that. It's a red flag to our engineering team. Our engineering team jumps on it right away, identifies what it is. If it's something that we've already protecting against, they can mark it in the machine learning and say, okay, we know what this is. It's good. If it's something new, then they can investigate, come up with an update or a rule or heuristic for it, roll it out and get it out before it becomes a major impact. Because again, these fraudsters are very intelligent. You got intelligent people and you've got tens of thousands of them around the globe trying to defeat all the systems that exist out in the marketplace. When we catch what they're doing, we can stay ahead of them by basically catching it early before it becomes a massive problem. And then that's how we can stay on top of it. We also get a lot of feedback from our clients. Clients give us huge feedback because look at it this way. I use one of our clients. They're a gaming company. And so what happens is we're there to protect their login. They want to make sure bots and human fraud firms are not logging into their system for a variety of reasons, but they want to protect that login. We get to see that visitor for a split second. They come in, they go to log in, hit go, and we have to know right then and there, are they real or fake? Meanwhile, the gaming company has all this gameplay, all this user behavior, all this rich data behind the scenes. Our data has to be able to capture that without having access to all that data. So sometimes, maybe something new is starting to pop up. We might get some insight from that client to say, hey, something new's popping up. I'm not sure what it is. Here's some information. And then our team goes to town and digs there to see if that's something new that might be popping up. So those are just two examples of how we look at new levels of fraud coming into the market and how they end up on the chief product officer's desk for review.